my name is Diya Jain and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my Instagram ID. So yeah, as you all can tell, I'm running late as usual. But yeah, this is my continuation of taking you all to events that I go to this week. It's a Tuesday today. I think it's 4:30 right now and I'm walking to the station because the event is at Bandra again. Please ignore my halat right now. It's 40 degrees in Mumbai. I don't think I've ever felt it this hot. Like it's actually, you know, like how you have Rajasthan ka loo, that garmi, it's that bad in Mumbai right now. So yeah. Also, I'm not really feeling my best. I did like deadlifts yesterday and I went for a little too heavy. So I woke up with a very bad back pain, like a massive back pain. And I'm about to get my period soon too. So just halat is a little off. I get these horrible mood swings like before my period and everything's just like I don't know, I have a very bad time before my period. So that's happening. This Mumbai Garmi is not making anything easy. Like everything is chipak and you're just irritated. I wasn't exactly in the mood to go today because just not feeling well. But I have already committed. So I don't want to like say no at moment. So I'm going now. This is my outfit. It's very cute. It's very yellow. It's very mango season. I've carried coffee in this blue jhabla. My plus one for the day, Risha, is here. Got coffee. How much is your favorite?
Don't take it again, take it again.
No.
So no, my face is not looking good. Please take it again.
This is coming on the vlog, you know now.
No, I'm doing good.
Okay, I got this coffee. Mine is classic. My hair is dried, kind of. Thank you, Mumbai Heat. I was telling Prisha how I'm having back pain and then I saw this. God has humbled me. We have reached the venue, but as usual we out the rickshaw a lot. So now we are walking. Prisha is drinking a cocktail. What cocktail is it?
So I'm day drinking. It's like my gin and tonic.
And I'm drinking some mocktail. It's quite nice. It's tasty.
It's nice and tasty.
Right. Nice. Why are you laughing?
Because it's something funny.
No.
You should just follow like on your mouth. On your face like that.
This is the ice watermelon and
Ice, apple, watermelon salad.
okay. This is that. There was some misunderstanding pehle, but this is like the Jain version of my watermelon ice apple. What was that? Fast.
Ice, apple and watermelon salad.
Yeah.
The 10th time.
It's that, guys. Okay, I'm excited to try this. Isha, are you excited? I love sushi and they have like 24 types of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Okay, 12 sushi pieces. But all Jain, I'm excited to try. And it's all mine because Prisha doesn't like sushi by the way. Avocado, mango, something. Looks nice. Oh. Mango season is truly here. Healthy and eating this mango bowl.
With Magnum ice cream.
Magnum ice cream. I'm gonna try it. I've eaten the ice cream only by the way. Nice. It's like amrus.
You're supposed to take a spoon and lick.
It's like amrus.
No, you have to take a spoon, yeah.
I have never eaten something like this before.
That's what I'm telling you. एकदम नीचे से should go.
Isha.
Yeah. Now we have everything.
Yeah, I've only gotten the mango.
Only amrus she's having.
Ooh, look at all this sushi. This is a Jain platter. Smoothie bowl and the watermelon thing and our drinks. Happy, happy, happy. It's hot and exciting. Oh my God. What just happened? Isha will fully lose her mind, you know, if she hears that kid walk like tick, 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 tick. Going home. Two people with broken backs. You're so sleepy. You know when you're sleepy and this water comes out and Tisha thought I was crying. Thought was
She
very
needs
nice.
therapy.
Imagine your friends thinking, did you have fun? Bye. Okay, I'm walking home now. I had a very wholesome day. I had a lot of fun. I love eating and I dressed pretty cute, so I think I had a good day. I got a few cute pictures as well, so I'm happy about that. I had a very fun time with Prisha also. So yes, this was the third event I have been to this week, and yep, I'm hoping you all had fun. Now let's see what the next event would be, or possibly this would be the last event of this week. So yep, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all soon. Love you all. My outfit check. Hello you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am continuing the vlog of showing you all events that I go to this week. This is vlog 2 I think, and this is my 4th event of this week. So this event is definitely quite a huge deal. You all will know why when I take you all and show you all what the event is. But I'm super duper excited. All these opportunities, I'm just overwhelmed but super grateful that I'm like being able to go to them. Also this event I'm going with my sister. We are invited together. Her name is Malari Jain and I'm tagging her Instagram as well. You all can follow her too. Yes. So we are going together and we kind of are twinning. We are both wearing like denim.
I think that was planned.
Denim and red. So yes, we'll have fun together today and lots of Malari and Diya time pass also you all will see. Why were you laughing on my face? Laugh again for YouTube. Guys, she laughed. I video called her to ask her how I looked and she laughed like I've never seen a laugh pehle. Can you explain yourself? Huh? Here. Why you laughed? Tell everyone. She's still laughing. We are stuck in traffic. I don't know why. I even wonder. Like it's Mumbai, of course traffic hone wala hai. We have reached the place where the event is being held. It's in Phoenix Palladium, like Lower Palladium Wala. So yep, let's go. I'm excited. So cute. My very smart, dearest, very responsible sister lost her chashma in the cab. Mary, how do you do this? Is there a secret?
How can I look happy in the event?
Guys, her specs were on her legs. Like I was like, she'll put it in the bag because she asked for my chashma. I was like, she'll put it. We got invited to a diesel event, guys. ugly, but oh my god,
She looks very pretty.
my sister looks banging. Yeah.
Take a photo.
That was all for the event, you guys. It was quite short and pretty sweet. I'm very, very grateful to be invited to such a big brand's event. Like, Diesel is quite the deal, and we're both very, very grateful that we got
I am very
invited.
grateful. I just look very
Ungrateful.
yeah, but trust me, I'm very grateful. I just cannot express it, right?
Yeah. She just.
Yeah, car.
It's there. Malari, you're just giving mom energy right now.
So yeah, guys, I'm so sorry that I look so like sad in all of these vlogs, but trust me, I'm really trying.
She lost her specs and
Like today was very very tiring. I had to be there for like a religious function the whole day, and I was just busy with that. And then it
Yeah.
took me 20 minutes or like more than 30 minutes to do this hair, and that's the reason why I know it still doesn't look the best, but I still
it
tried
does.
it.
I like it.
No, but like it's not how
You
it's
know, the thing
supposed
with
to look.
Malari is just today she's just so overwhelmed with everything that
Yeah.
even if something looks good, she'll like tell her brain that oh my god, no, it does not look good because she's just not having
And
the
also the
day.
fact that there were so many people that
Malari, complete your sentence.
no, like I think they understood. Like there were many people, so like yeah.
Yeah, like a lot of celebs
People
maybe
you
and a
see
lot of
online.
big
Yeah.
big content
Nothing
creators.
bad about them being there, but which is there. So I was
So like it's like we were sharing the same
energy.
energy and like just
Throughout.
the same platform with them. So that was kind of I think we are
Intimidating.
Yeah, a little intimidating, definitely for sure.
So yeah, but we still got done with it. We got very cute pictures.
We got cute pictures. We got like that photograph thingy we showed you all. Now we'll probably get hit by a cab because we are doing this in the middle of the road. But you all get the point. Now taking a cab and going home. I wasn't really feeling my makeup today because I just wasn't. Like, I don't know how I didn't do my makeup properly, maybe because I didn't do my skincare at all. So wasn't feeling that. Also, it was my first time trying a sleek bun look, and I wasn't really sure, but I think that, you know, just having thoda confidence, you can pull anything off. Like, even if you think you don't look your best, just, you know, pretend like, you know, you have it together and you can look your best, and maybe that will just work. So that's what I did today. I'm on my second day of period, by the way, so it's like I'm kind of dying but pushing through, and we made it through the event also, so I'm very proud of both of us. But anyway, thank you so much for watching my vlog today, part 2 of showing you all events that I go to this week. I hope you all enjoyed, and yeah, I don't think I'll have any other events in the next 2 days. It's a weekend, so yep, I think this is the last one. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know how you liked it in the comments below. Thank you. Bye. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another day, another event. I am on my way to the event right now. I'm excited. This is gonna be fun. I am wearing all white today because the theme is white and silver. It's currently 12:30 and I'm running a little late. Hopefully, like, I'm not very late, but I'm gonna reach in like I think 5 minutes now. So yeah. We're just an hour late and we were circling around, but we are here now.
All I know is UK law and UK standards. I don't know in other countries, and so that's where I feel comfortable. And they were willing.
All will agree is quite cluttered now. There are launches happening left, right, center, and as a beauty content creator at this point, I cannot keep up. You know. So what is different that you think that this about this particular range?
everyone's about to become a cosmetic formulator, so we're about to have lots of fun. Come.
Thank you.
I love how my fit looks. Look like a doctor. Surgeon. If I wouldn't have slept through chem class, I would have told you all what this is. I'm never trusting whatever we are making. This is never going on my face.
Oh my god, look at it on.
Oh my god, this much. We'll have to fill it. I am not even touching it. Bichari, she's doing everything. My chemistry partner made something. Thank you. Also, I love these heels so much, so much. They pain, but they are so cute. I am back to eating basics. Veggie Delight Subway. Healthy girl. It is very hot, but finally eating. I'm so hungry. There is nothing that eating and being by yourself cannot fix. Like, I don't have to share this with anyone. It's so good. I have to try it. Only like veggies and mayo and chili sauce was Jane, so that's all that I put in it. And it tastes so good. I'm so happy right now. I was so hungry. Being able to eat a Subway without feeling embarrassed is just not possible. Like, it's all over. I'm done, but the chili sauce was insanely spicy. I think she put a lot of it. That's very spicy. I don't have water. The day I don't need water, like I carry itna sara. And the time that I do, I don't have it. I wanted to take like pictures in this fit. The only con of not having someone with you is I don't have anyone to take my pictures. I really want pictures. The outfit is so cute and I don't have like any good ones. And I'm too shy to ask anyone to stand and take my pictures because like I'll have to explain angles and everything and I just don't want to get into it. I'd like rather not have pictures clicked. But I should definitely like hire someone maybe. I don't need a +1, I just need like a photographer or a videographer. Like just come click my pictures, please. Time to go home. Oh my god, look at the sun. It's so hot, but I would have gotten such cute pictures. Anyway, it was a nice event, I had fun. I learned a lot about skincare. Oh, my hair. Okay, sorry for how I look right now. I just had to tie my hair. It's very hot and I'm sweating. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed me taking you all to events. I mostly did this because when I post stories and all, like you all don't actually get to see like the BTS part of it, or you know exactly what happens, because I'm not like properly able to post everything on my story. So I do this so I can take you all with me, and you all can actually like see how events are, and you know what goes through my mind when I'm at events, and basically just my digital diary. So yeah, I am done with my event today, and I think the vlog as well. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I have spoken enough. Thank you so much for bearing with my chopper. I love you all. I also got this face wash and the serum from like Dermaco to try them. I'll definitely like try and see how it suits my skin.